Again, again, it's literally more buttons that I haven't seen before. This is amazing. All right, good morning. I think, hopefully, yeah, we're out there. But again, what is going on, people? Yeah, again, this is like I'm like getting hit with other buttons, and I'm like I don't understand. Like I keep trying to do the similar thing, but it literally continues to give me different ideas, different things to do. I don't understand. Notifications aren't coming in correctly. Whatever. You know, who am I? NBC. Again. All right, let's see. It's literally more buttons that I haven't seen before. This is amazing. All right, good morning. I think, hopefully, yeah, we're out there. But again, I'm listening to me just to make sure. All right. Yeah, I'm just listening to me just to be sure that the sound is on and everything is acting correctly. All right, so hey, welcome to, I don't know, what is today? I don't even know the days. Thursday? How did that happen? How did that happen? So, Thursday. Beautiful. All right, let's get things straightened out here. Let's just get things straightened out. Let's see if there's anything pretty happening. I'm sure I've missed all the action, but, you know, it's okay. All the technical stuff takes a little more time. So, yeah, let's just kind of see what we've got. Yeah, it took a loss yesterday. Yeah, I had to sell that, man. I had to sell that Cloudflare. $500 loss, and for me, that's enormous. As you saw yesterday, I made $1, what was it, $1.57? You know how long it's going to take me to make up 500? I don't have that kind of time. Oh boy, yeah, insane, man. But, you know, better to cut it. Because back when I first started, I took a hit on PayPal, and yeah, I've never forgotten it, and I will literally not. I mean, guaranteed I sold it, now it goes up. That's just me, and probably many of you out there. You're like, as soon as I sell it, goes up. But the bottom line is the trade's upside down, it's over, and, I'm not even going to look at it again. But just dumped it, and, yeah, really, it's like unbelievable, man. But, you know, it's just, again, just learning, trying to understand that swing in the market. This is ARM Holdings, another one that I'm holding. And this one also reported really well. That's the thing. Cloudflare reported well. Their guidance just wasn't outstanding. It wasn't like we are taking data centers to Mars. So, so the entire market blows up on it. So whatever. It wasn't a bad investment. I just got in too heavy and I couldn't get out. And it just, because I never just got the pop as I was adding to it, so I just had to dump it. So anyway, but at least in this one, I'm getting a bounce this morning. So ARM Holdings, and I'm not in as heavy. And ARM, again, reported really well. There was nothing wrong with the report. Okay, the guidance wasn't like, Willy Wonka, come on in with your golden ticket. So everybody's like, I gotta cry about it. Very aggravating. Very aggravating. For investor. Apologize for that. That was a bit of an outburst, possibly uncalled for, but I got to let it out somewhere. And let me check. Let me see who's watching. Nobody. Okay, good. That should fly under the radar and go completely undetected. So aggravating. All right, so what do we got going here? Let me just kind of see what we got going here. Yeah, I'm late to the table. I was at I got a free dinner last night. Yeah, and I didn't even have to go on a date to get it. Yeah, like that ever happens. But yeah, I went. I do some charity work. I shouldn't say charity. Volunteer work with my local HOA, and yeah, they invited me to dinner last night, and yeah, got a free steak dinner. I was like, really? I'll take it, and I'll tip you that $1.67 last night. So anyway, yeah, it was good. It was actually really good, but I wasn't out late, but got home. I just had a lot of work to do before I went to bed, but so whatever, but yeah, good fun, man. Really fun. I ended up sitting at the table with the president of the HOA. I'm like, I don't know who did the seating arrangement, but that wasn't a wise choice. All right, so oh wow, we had a nice little market fall off, and this is where we've got to consolidate here. That's the bottom line. So let me just pull up so you know what I'm looking at. But yeah, we've got to have some consolidation here. So I'm just going to kind of start with like, what the heck is the market doing? 20 days moving up, but this is great. This is just fantastic. We got to have some consolidation at this level before we go up to the next level. Beautiful. It's great. But you still don't have to destroy my stock trade. Yeah. Okay. And the Qs, similar, but a little bit different, right? But, you got the 20-day. This is my orange line here, the 9. I run the 9, which is blue. It actually does help me. And we got the 50-day right there. I'll adjust these a little bit. But consolidation, beautiful. Consolidation ready for a breakout. What's the news that's going to break it out? I have no idea. Because I've watched a number of companies report, and the stocks are going down. Market is soft. I don't know what's lifting the market. I think yesterday I heard it's like healthcare and some consumer staples. That's maybe holding the market up. I don't know. But, as far as, I'm more of a technology guy. I like the fast-moving stuff when I invest, but these things aren't moving, and the market has just gotten driven up. So there's other sectors that money's flowing into, hands down. So we get a little consolidation, right? We get a lot of people that are like, oh, it's holding. Oh, I better get in. I better get in. Shorts are like, better get out. And boom, we hit 450 on the Qs, and, it's like tossed salad on top of a scrambled egg. I don't even know what that means. I apologize. I'm a little emotional today. Okay. All right. Qs are moving up. You had a nice dip. All right. Now we're going. Okay. So what does that mean? I have no idea. Let's dig further. Let's dig further into the story. What do we possibly have? This is a continuation from yesterday. And it looks like INOD. That sounds like a guy at my office. See, again, this is a nice little continuation trade. Yeah, that's not looking bad. But, MACD's telling me no, so I got a little time. And then we got PAC B, and not really continuation, but it had traffic. Again, this one's above traffic. Look at the beauty of this. On the day chart right here, this is beautiful. There's room up to $4, but there's no volume. GSUN, it's in traffic. It's not, whatever. Datadog, this is another one that reported, this was yesterday morning, right? Collapsed, and it reported fine. Completely reported fine. This one's actually getting a nice recovery, and it's coming into the earnings gap. So that one actually looks pretty good, but I'm not taking any more swings on, because I just don't trust the market. So, but day trade be cool, but look at the volume on this, 700,000. So that's that there, and that disappeared on me. Okay, and let's see. Zeta, it could be consolidating. You had a blue sky event there, and really could be consolidating, and it could get ready for a move. I've got a alert set that we can come back and make a trade. I don't know. That's interesting, right? That's interesting. Like, these things are all setting up for a possible just blow up. And SGE, I don't like that price point, but I think it's worth watching. You never know. You never know. Okay. And then, let's see. I know I'm trying to share it with you guys, and then I keep getting clicked off of it. And then this is Reborn Coffee, and had a nice $1.50 trade on that yesterday. Just bankrolling. That's right. And you can't see my 5-minute chart. I apologize. But I'm kind of dealing with the daily. Then as soon as I get back, I'll get back over there. We'll see. But yeah, look, this is holding the earnings gap. Oh no, it's not an earnings gap. We're taking coffee to China, right? Like Starbucks. But hey, reborn coffee. I have no idea. Does it come? Is it baptismal coffee? Is there something in there? All right, I'll stop because, yeah, it's only a matter of. I honestly, this is day 4? I'm surprised I've made it this far. All right, everybody, just relax. All right. So yeah, nothing really amazing there. And then what do we got? We got earnings, Roblox earnings, and all right, clean spark, whatever that's about. But yeah, let's just go straight to the scanner real quick. And we got CPOP. CPOP. Well, that sounds fancy. All right, yeah, nice little move. But 3 to 4, I mean, not that exciting for 53 million shares. That's why, yeah, I thought this sounded familiar. Yeah, we got 470, 385. All right. But I will say, over this 470, I'm cool with that. We get a nice setup and we go 470 to 670. It's a $2 friggin' window. I'm in. So we'll set an alert. We start creeping up over that. And we will take a shot. Okay. All right. Is this thing still on? All right. So CPOP kind of did, a U-turn. And that's my fault. I'm like I said, I'm a little bit late today. Getting to the market, but that's okay. I'm more just learning this process of filming, and it's good fun. I'm really digging it. All right, and then I'm not seeing anything else that at least that was, we'll try something and see. AGS, yeah, had a nice move. Yeah, it's a real nice move. Look at that, but. 26%. So yeah, could it do something? Yeah, maybe, but not do anything right now. So let's just go through and see if there's anything doing anything right now. Is there a trading opportunity? All right, that's low volume. ACDC? Really? That's going to have a copyright restriction. And that's oil and gas company. Looks like an earnings kind of a play. And then, yeah, INOT is back on there. Again, yeah, I mean, when I looked at this yesterday, I was like, man, that window here, 940 to 1240. And it's just taken 2 days to make the move. So volume's really light, and, especially compared to yesterday. But it's just making a slow move. So, and today is the 9th. So what was? Yeah, it was earnings data. Yeah. So yeah, they liked it. They didn't like Cloudflare though, did they? Yeah. Whatever. All right. So yeah, nothing really rocking. All right, Apple's getting up. I'm just kind of taking a look at my swings. And yeah, IoT, Samsara is holding up. Crowd got pushed down a little bit, but yeah, it's doing okay. Yeah, that thing got pushed down in the middle of market. It's actually holding. Snowflake, yeah, still struggling, but holding above that 155 level. All right, Super Micro diving, and that's because ARM Holdings, they're like, yeah, we're doing awesome, just, not as awesome as you expected. Nvidia, yeah, these are, they're all down a little bit because of ARM holdings and because the market needs a reason to go down. But yeah, I'm literally not adding back to anything. I would almost rather see the market pull back and then get like an actual real burst up. All right, so yeah, I mean, INOD. Just kind of looking down here at what else I have. Yeah, that. Just stop thinking about it. I'm just sitting here going through the stocks, and it's like Cloudflare, 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 $500. Grateful for a free meal last night, and I mean that sincerely. Very grateful. All right, yeah, nothing. Z-Lab, we got. Let's just. Is there any chart that wants to go? ASLE, kind of. Kind of up and just holding. But is there anybody that wants to move on Thursday? That's just really low volume, but that's blue sky, man. Yeah, that thing's up, what, like $2? But yeah, really low volume. So, okay, nothing there. So let's see if we've got some earnings that are pretty good. CLSK. It's a pretty rocking start. But yeah, not a whole lot there. So, all right, let me reduce the size of this. You guys can kind of see my 5-minute as well. I was just kind of focused on the day chart, so I left it there. All right. Make sure I'm still recording. Earnings that are pretty good. Okay. Nice. All right. Wow. Oh, that's interesting that it did that. Okay, it actually put the wrong. Okay, so Roblox. That's always a fun one. A little bit of a beat, nothing major. Let's see who that. Sundial Growers. Is that the old? Okay. D-Nut. You just have to look just because of the name. All right, holding, but definitely in traffic. Fiverr. How's Fiverr doing? Wow, Fiverr, yeah, looks all right. That's interesting. That's an interesting company to me. I mean, I don't know much about it except for the, I think it's the hiring workers. I think like people that do stuff, something like that. But yeah, and if that's not what that one is, it's that whole thing is fascinating to me. People that just kind of post themselves up there to do work here and there. All right. How we doing? All right. And did we get a drop on the jobs report? How'd the jobs do? Let me see. Initial jobless claims. Thursday, May 9th. And where are we at? Oh, come on, don't do that. Darn it. Really? Okay, here, I think I got it. All right. Okay, well. All right. Came in a little, yeah, it came in like 5,000 under what was expected on the jobless claims. And that was continuous jobless claims. And then initial jobless claims is up. So, again, bad news is good news. So more people filed. Okay, good. Good. We're going to get inflation under control by putting people out of work. And I know it's horrible. It is. It's absolutely horrible. But, yeah. I'll leave it there. I'm not pleased with that. Okay. Just looking at earnings here. Just want to see anybody blow it away. PGY. Like a pretty decent beat. But again, none of this stuff's hitting scanners. My scanners are set more for small cap stocks, low float. Ooh, PZZA. That just made me hungry. Papa John's. I'm a Papa John's fan. I don't order pizza out, but I like Papa John's because that's the one that gives you like that butter sauce with the pepperoncinis. Forget about it. Yeah. Oh, that just made I'm hungry this morning. Like I had a big steak dinner last night, so I haven't eaten, in 12 hours. All right. Wow, Papa John's. How'd they do? All right. Light on revenue, but they did beat on earnings per share. I have a Papa John's right down the street. Oh, that's tempting. And it's horrible. All right. You know what? If I get a trade in here, and it doesn't look like it's going to be today, but, tomorrow, I'm looking for Papa John money. I need a Papa John's pizza. I really do. Yeah, I miss, oh, Jesus, I better just stop. I better stop. So, anyway, yeah, there's nothing, man. Damn it. There's just nothing that, at this time in the morning, like there's just nothing that's completely moving. And I know I'm reaching here now. Ooh, Yeti. Yeti had a good report. Oh, you guys own any Yeti? I don't. It looks pretty sturdy. All right, Yeti, no. All right. Ooh, BioXcel. Oh, that's penny money. Oh, it was bad. All right. Man, a lot of companies reported. Warner Music. Wow, Hanes brands. Yeah, it's been a surge in underwear. I'm not sure how to take that. Oh boy, yeah. I spend far too much time alone. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, okay. Endeavor Group. Yeah, they jumped 217% on earnings. but it's gonna be probably low volume. Let's see, what is it now? It's EDR. All right. Yeah, well, they've been doing good. So yeah, it had to drop off. Hook. Yeah, nothing. SPB. That's a nice pop. Really low volume, man. But yeah, that's a nice pop. Yeah, they earnings per share they estimated 49 cents. They hit $1.62. And revenue, yeah, 10 million more than was estimated, but wow. All right. I'm looking, people. I'm looking. All right. All right. EMBC, they at least appear to have upward guidance. Yeah, so just, a lot of stuff pre-market. And, it's tougher for me because I don't have access to scanners in the pre-market. Not yet, anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do that. Moving forward because I've been doing really fine finding trades, but things don't seem to be moving into the morning. Like it's like pre-market trade and then maybe a little bit out of the open, but I haven't seen any real continuation. Although ARM is starting to go. Thank God, I don't need to lose any more money. Although something happened because I did. Let's see. How did my P&L go down like that? Who's goofing around? Yeah, I just have to wait for some kind of rotation, back into technology, kind of pushes stuff. But again, I'm watching levels, so just nothing is, nothing's really coming into levels that I would add to it. Yeah, it's crushing, man. Yeah. No, I'm down for the year. And at this point, that took me out. Yeah, that $500 loss took me out. But it's not over. Yeah, I'm gonna get it back. I'll get it back in a different way. But yeah, I'll get it. All right, this one IoT. I like this. This one's been probably my best performer. Look at that chart setup, just straight up, nice pullback and solid. Oh, look at that! It's actually identical to what the Qs and the SPY look like. First day of the candle make a new high. Yeah. And they're not reporting for a little while, so maybe the attitude of the market will change. They're going to report June 6th. Okay, good. All right, so yeah, nothing. I'm not seeing anything. Again, this is nice because this is where I sold. I literally sold right here. Trimmed. I didn't sell it all, still have some, but trimmed it. And if we come up, little inverse head and shoulder action, I'm into it. But the daily looks good. The daily looks good. I just don't. I don't trust. Yeah, putting any money in to work at this point because this market is up, and I think, like I said, I think they're saying healthcare and consumer staples. So yeah, man, nothing. Can't find anything again, and it could be late to the party. That's completely feasible. But there used to be morning trades. There used to be morning trades at 6:45, 7 a.m., 7:15, 8 a.m. There would be a trade, and I'm not seeing it. So earnings, and then let's see, NTBL. That sounds newish. Yeah, again, that's still that. There's my little. There we go. See if there's anything to put on, but yeah. Alright, so let's see if I change. Alright, so that I did as today. Alright, well, $85 stock, but yeah, this. Oh, wow. Alright, this is another earnings play. How did I not see that? Did I look at that? Oh, it was from last night, that's why. Okay, it was from last night. Okay. And this thing's up 16. Look at that. What kind of room do we have here? Yeah, really just a pipe up, right? Okay. So yeah, that's a pretty decent little window, but yeah, it really popped and is driving through it. But yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. I mean, yeah, you probably would say, all right, someone's gonna see this, so all right, we'll put this little gap in there. Because someone's gonna be like, no, there's a gap. Play the gap. It's so insignificant, but let's see. Yeah, but it's a real thing. It's a buck. So, but that's kind of where, yeah, and there it is coming into it. But yeah, I'm not. Four million shares, but yeah, pretty good though. Yeah, I mean, you look at that on a 5 minute, just banging into that level, and now thinking about taking it. All right, yeah, I don't know. It's like just wait for something to pop, but C-Pop is back. Yeah, I've just got to get. I'm just gonna have to get out here earlier, and it's just tough because you got to work. You got stuff to do. But yeah, I'm just not. Yeah, I remember, like, I don't know, I'm not imagining things. There used to be, these moves that would happen at this time of day. I mean, it's 7:30. Like, by now, sure, you could be like 7:30, you're done, but there could still be moves, up to 8 o'clock after that, maybe up to 9. But, yeah, just there haven't been, it's like the moves are in the pre-market or, out of the open, and then they just dissipate. All right. Okay. Well, not that exciting here. Oh, okay. Impact on video, no impact, no impact. Select that. Okay. All right, cool. Scared me. I thought YouTube was freaking out about one of my videos. Yeah, it's like you can't even use any music. All right. So, yeah, I mean, APP is, it's got something going on. Yeah, got a nice little $2 move off that level. All right. But, what should I be doing? Should I be spending time doing something else with my day? Because I'm just not seeing. Yeah, and the market's starting to try to go up, right? You got the Qs. They're leaning up a little bit, but still, but the SPY's going. And again, I need to figure out how to watch which sectors. Generally learn it from the news, but I don't really understand like the heat map. I need to learn how to use a heat map and see what might be out there, but. SPY's up. Yeah, ARM is, thank goodness. Thank goodness for that. This recovered. Look at that. Yeah. This line I just drew in because of earnings. I was going to, again, I like to play earnings. It's one of my favorites. And, that was like a 10% line pullback, and it went right to it. So, and we're getting the bounce off it. So that's exciting. That's exciting that they didn't completely crush it. Should I look at? Should I just upset myself and look at Cloudflare? Let's see if it bounced up, and it did. That sucks. Because I watched it. Yes, this is the line. Like, this is where I was like, I can't. Because the opening was so big to the downside, and today it's holding. We got a nice double bottom here, but I saw this and I'm like, I can't hold. down to, but really, you get down probably right here. That probably would have been the most recent, but yeah, that would have been a better call if I would have done that. But, I didn't want to hold for another $5 down. And then today it's bouncing. So, yeah. But, it was a bad trade. I made the mistake. And I had to follow the discipline. And I had to just get out. But it's starting to recover today. Yeah. It's unfortunate. But, follow the discipline, because it could have easily just went, straight down to 65, which would have really hurt even more. So, yeah. But what are you going to do? You just keep studying, you keep learning, and, what did I learn from that? Well, and there was a shot there. There was a cash flow moment, I remember, that I didn't take, and I should have, and again, should have, would have, could have. But yeah, IoT's going. That's looking good. Yep, Nvidia's holding, but yeah, it's got a little bit of a pullback, but yeah, ARM's looking good. So it might actually move up. And Microsoft, yeah, it's holding the 20. My green line's the 100. Yeah, that's good. It's just consolidation, but again, similar right to the market. Meta, yep, continuing upwards, breaking over the 20. So resistance here at the 50. But that one's looking good, and it's filling the gap. Mac up, so it's it's good. IoT, another great consolidation. Get to blue sky, and yeah, hopefully we'll run. And CrowdStrike, another company I like, cybersecurity, similar, again similar, but we're breaking over the 50, so we could run here and get up over at 322 level. So, okay. Well, yeah, it's all right, breaking high a day. Good, good, good. All right, let's go. All right, anything else on the stock scanner? Let's see. Yeah, CPOP is still wanting to. Still hanging out up here. That's a China stock. So, wow. All right. Well, yeah, markets recovering. All right, SPY's heading up. that. All right. First daily to make a new high. That's a beautiful looking bull flag on the daily. And the Qs are flying. Yeah. It's looking good. It's getting bought up. Let's see if we break. I'm going to send an alert there. See if we break that. Tesla. $72.54. So yeah, bounced off the 50. All right, well, yeah, we're getting some expansion here. All right. So, all right, I'm going to call it there. Doesn't look like, it's going to be a no trade day for me. Nothing, nothing really just cranking. Seems like, again, everything is just really hitting in the pre-market and right at the market open. So I've not really had any opportunities. So, yeah, we'll just leave it there. But, all right, excellent. All right, well, hey, thanks for hanging out again. Just me hanging out with me, but if you do watch this sometime in the future, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, come hang out with me. I'm just I'm a trader with 5 years of education. I took an education from a proven trader, profitable trader, and I'm working on it. And I trade small size. I do swing trades. I do day trades, and I'm just trying to kind of get to my breakthrough moment where I become just an unstoppable, profitable trader. And if you're struggling too, let's come stop by, hang out, subscribe to the channel, and let's hang out. Let's share some ideas, because I just this whole 90% failure rate with day traders. I just think that's crazy. I think it is easy to quit, because it's difficult to actually put this together and get yourself there. But there's just got to be more people out there like me that are close, that just want to stick with it and don't want to give up. They want to continue and don't quit. If you're out there, don't quit. Try to make it happen. And let's see if see if we can work together and share some ideas, some things. What am I missing? What are you missing? So if you could join, that's why I'm here. I'm here to make some friends and join with some people with a like mindset. That's really what this is about for me. Because there's no one else you can talk to except someone else who's actually doing it. So I haven't made any friends yet. But I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to make some friends and have some folks out there sharing ideas with me, and as I find ideas, sharing ideas with them. So, but anyway, again, Trey Voltage, and